Welcome to Precision Upstate.
Our commercial division just installed the new curtain wall. Wow, what an improvement.
We design beautiful custom closets for all budgets.
Bedroom closets, laundry rooms, pantries, mudrooms, and more.
Don't forget the showers. We love to push the envelope. Glass is beautiful when done with precision. Just stunning.
Hey, what about custom glass and mirrors? Any shape, any size, any color. We even spruce up mirrors.
It's awesome to see our customers happy.
Okay, I know you're getting married on Saturday, but I need you to install this customer's closet, please.
All right, I'll do it.
Thank you.
Builders love our flexibility when installation dates change.
Precision understands our quality requirements and delivers every time.
Architects, builders, and realtors trust us and bring their customers to get inspired.
Many of my clients and I have used Precision Upstate. The design and installation process was flawless.
I love how we treat our customers and employees. This is a great company to work for. We do everything with precision, and you should too.